TOEFL Practice 1. Structure and written expression questions. 2 questions with answer explanations. Answer each question in 37.5 seconds. Direction for question 1. This question is an incomplete sentence. Beneath the sentence you will see 4 words or phrases, marked A, B, C, and D. Choose the one word or phrase that best completes the sentence. Question 1. Direction for question 2. This question has 4 underlined words or phrases. The 4 underlined parts of the sentence are marked A, B, C, and D. Choose the one underlined word or phrase that must be changed for the sentence to be correct. Question 2. Answer 1. Word order refers to the specific arrangement of words in a sentence to convey clear meaning and follow grammatical rules. In passive voice, we use subject plus be plus past participle. Here, the earring was made is correct. The adverb originally fits naturally after was and before made, giving a smooth flow to the sentence. Answer 2. Word order refers to the specific arrangement of words in a sentence to convey clear meaning and follow grammatical rules. In English, when combining many a quantifier with other an adjective, many should come before other in the phrase many other plants. Quantifiers like many, few, and several are usually placed before adjectives in noun phrases. This is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.